Did you know 2 technicians once saved an entire family reunion with just one service call? So we're driving back from this crazy Memorial Day weekend call, right? This poor homeowner calls us in a total panic. Her AC died completely and she's got 20 family members showing up the next day for their annual reunion. It's 95 degrees outside, and every other company told her she'd need a full replacement that wouldn't arrive for weeks. She was practically in tears when we suggested trying system restoration first. She's like, "Are you kidding me? This thing is ancient." But we ran the ACF flush process anyway, and man, within the first hour you could feel the difference. The airflow got stronger, temperatures started dropping fast, and the system began cycling properly for the first time in years. When that cold air started blowing again, she literally started crying happy tears. The reunion was saved. Best part, 3 of her relatives called us the next week because they witnessed the whole transformation. Sometimes the old system just needs the right restoration and it'll work like new again. Ask your technician about AC Flush.